back to my channel. This is a special video for you guys that I wanted to share with you guys. This is for FabFitFun. Now these are the add-ons that you guys can add to your spring box. If you guys are a subscriber to FabFitFun or you're thinking of doing it, you definitely want to join. It's a seasonal subscription box where it's $49.99 every season. I do have a promo code where you guys can get $10 off. If you use the code Bloom10, you guys can get yours for $39.99. It usually has over $200 worth of stuff in there. But what happens is they asked me if I could share with you guys the add-ons that you guys can get in your boxes. So you still get your box and then you guys can get add-ons. Now they cost a little bit different. I'm not sure the exact prices for you guys, but it's something if you guys really want it, you can add it into your box. Or these are options that you guys can choose for different things. But one thing that you guys can get for sure that you guys definitely want to add to your box that's free is the Love Beauty and Planet, sorry I can't speak, coconut oil and Yang Lang Lang deodorant. You guys can add this to your box for free. This is a free add-on. I would definitely just take it. You know, it's free. So everybody's getting it. I don't know if you guys are getting different smells. Ooh, I like that smell. Ooh, I like it. I don't know if everybody gets different ones, but the one I got is yellow. But I really like that smell. So, got to do that if you guys want that, but that's something that you definitely can add to your box for that. Now, these items are going to be stuff that you guys can choose for add-ons. They come out today, so you guys add them on, and they're only limited. So if you guys don't get a chance, then somebody else got them before you. So make sure you guys add them to your box. Now, one thing I do want to say is I did partner with FabFitFun, and these products are my own impression on things, and these are my own opinions. Everybody has different opinions, but I just want to give you guys a heads up on that. But the one thing that I truly loved when I opened this box was socks. And you guys know how much I love socks, and these are donut socks. Now these are Living Royal donuts or socks. They are ankle socks. They say Living Royal right on it, but they are cute little donut socks. I am so excited to wear these. This is the first thing I grabbed right out of the box because it's appealing and I love it. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys add that to your box. Another thing that I like is your stretch washcloth. Now this is a washcloth that it's for hard to reach areas, great for people with limited mobility, for all skin types. I don't really know exactly what it truly does. It isn't a plastic. Oh, it's not like, it's like a little bit of a harder washcloth, a little bit there, but it looks like you can hang it up because they did give you a suction cup, so you guys just suction that right to your house, or you suction this. You put your washcloth right in here. It's a scrubber, and then you put the little hook right on the thing. So that's something I've never really seen before. I will try it because, you know, you can always get, you know, scrub stuff off when you have a lot of dry skin, especially in the winter time. Going on the spring, you want to start looking your best. So that is an item that you guys can add to your add-ons. The next item we have is Kiss Your Cravings Goodbye. It's behaving, it's junk food craving reducing lip moisturizer. I don't know if I want to have this right now because I'm pregnant, but I don't have a lot of cravings. It's a no discouragement behavior modification tool to help you break up with junk food. I don't know how well it really works, but it's a stimulating peppermint lip moisturizer that freshens your breath while helping you to keep your cravings at bay. How to use: apply with a Behave Aid Lip Wand and drink water. Okay, so this is what it is. Let's see what it looks like. So yeah, it's just like a little wand, kind of like a mascara wand. Yeah, it's just a regular. Oh, that's really minty, but that's kind of cool if you're ever in a spot where you can't eat something for a while and you want to try it. So that is an add-on for you guys for that. The next thing we have is Ahava Dead Sea Salt. These are bath salts. I've never really used a bath salt before, but I should because it's something that's really relaxing. it does help you out a lot. So this is a whole bag. I don't know how many uses this is. Looks like you could use the whole use. That's a lot of salt. So Dead Sea salt, if you guys are interested in that. That's an add-on. Now this is something I thought it's kind of cool. I like having something like this in my purse at all times, because if you're ever in an area where you need to use your phone and you're on your phone the whole time, or the battery's about to die, or you're in a spot where you just need to charge your phone and you can't have a portable power bank, this is the Ashley Mary portable power bank. You just charge it. iPhone charging cable, not a... I don't know if this is just for your iPhone. Oh, it just says works with most iPhone devices, smartphones, and a USB. So it doesn't come with a cord. So it does come with some kind of cord. I think that's to plug it into the wall or plug it into your phone, but the iPhone's different because everybody has different plugins. But you got something like that. Something that's kind of cute. It's pink with some dots on it. That's super cute, so you guys can be cute. I have a couple of those, which we use them all the time. The next add-on you guys can get is Kate Somerville Skin Experts. This is goat milk. This is a moisturizing cleanser. I actually need to use a cleanser, so I thought that would be kind of cute to start using. And let's just open this bad boy up and see what we got for that. Just regular purple bottle, which I love. I love purple. It is sealed, but a moisturizing cleanser if you guys are interested in that, by Kate Somerville. The packaging sometimes is what I love. I love the packaging over anything else. The next thing we got is Nellies Wow Stick. This is a stain remover. So this is basically like, I think just like a white stick that you just put on your clothes and just kind of white it right out. Directions: wet Wow Stick. Wet stained area fabric. Rub Wow Stick on stained area. Agitate the stain under water. Launder using Nellies laundry soap. So this is just kind of like, it's kind of like an eraser or something like that, but that's kind of cool. My husband was super excited to look at that. The next item for an add-on, you guys, is the Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment for thicker, stronger, longer hair. I know I will definitely need this after I have my daughter, because my hair will just go to kaputs. They always do right after you have kids. So, and I will be losing my hair. So this will be perfect for me to use this after I have my child in a couple months. So this is something that I'm super excited to try, and it's sealed, so I can't smell it for you, but we got that for you guys. A thing that I'm super excited for, my husband is super excited for, is honey. We love honey. We love dipping our chicken nuggets, you know, dipping the chicken nuggets in the honey. But this is Beekeeper's Naturals. It's bee powdered superfood honey with royal jelly, bee pollen, and propolis. So you get a huge jar of honey if you guys are interested in that. And that looks like a big jar of honey, and it doesn't expire to 2021. So that is good. You can kind of see, like, you know, some of the stuff inside the honey, but really excited to try this. More of a natural honey instead of the stuff you get like at McDonald's. The next thing I saw was this, and I'm like, what the heck is this? The brand is Marika, and I'm like, what is this? Like, I had to email them, and I'm like, what is this? And then she told me it's an agility ladder, and I'm like, oh, so it's basically a ladder that you lay on the ground, and then you guys can like do huddles over it or just kind of reach out. But it is, you know, just your regular ladder, like, you know, that, but the plastic is a little flimsy, so it's not really meant to be a ladder. It's supposed to be meant to be laid on the floor, so you guys just lay on the floor and then jump right over it. But I thought that'd be kind of cute, you know, especially if you want to start doing some exercises just quickly around the house. I can do that with running around toys, but this will be perfect for me when I want to start losing weight after I have the baby. So you got the agility ladder for an add-on option. I got a couple more items for you guys to share with you. This is high def tinted brow gel. My brows always suck. I don't know why. I just don't really care about my brows. I have blonde brows, so I kind of color them in a little bit. But this is a nice brow pencil, and then you got a brush and then like a little pencil if you guys can kind of see it. What color is this? This is soft brown. So it's a gel eyebrow thing. I have to do it someday when I'm like ready to not go out into public so I can get used to it first. But that's something kind of cool and worth using because I do color my brows brown. And then this item I was super excited for because I've never tried it before. But this is the Get in Shape with Invisible Power and Original. So these are those plastic hair ties that everybody is talking about. I always wear my hair in a ponytail at night when I'm not doing my videos or when I get home. I pretty much put my hair in a ponytail and that's it. But every time I put my hair in a ponytail, I rip my hair out. So they say these are supposed to be a little bit better. They are hard plastic, so we're just going to test it out and see what it looks like, or feel how it feels like. Now I don't know, you have to, okay, I'm going to twist mine. So basically, you know, it's comfortable. It sticks right there. I didn't even have to like do this. It looks like it feels like it stays. I like it. And then pulling it out does make your hair hurt, but I don't have any hair on here, so that's kind of cool. I like that. So this is something I was super excited for. So if you guys are interested in that, that is also an add-on also. So we got that, so I can look kind of hip. So yeah, that's basically what these little doodads look like. So that was everything that is going to be for add-ons for the FabFitFun box. Now I will be showing you guys the box when it does come out. It'll be coming out in the next couple weeks, so I'll definitely share with that. But this is stuff that you guys can get additionally for those boxes also, or options. But like I said, you guys can get $10 off if you use the code Bloom10, which is awesome. And again, these are some of my favorite items that I told you about. These are my own opinions, but I am super excited. I hope you guys enjoy the FabFitFun add-ons box, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.